Okay, so is the Kia EV9 GT a better tow vehicle than the Nissan Patrol? In short, no, not at all. The Nissan Patrol's got a rating of 3.5 tonne, which is at the moment in Australia basically unheard of when it comes to electric. But this Kia EV9 GT actually has a tow rating of 2.5 tonne, which is considerably higher than the Tesla's Model Y's highest tow rating at 1.6 tonne. You're getting another 900 kilo, and let me tell you, this car is absolutely awesome. I would love to tow a caravan with it, albeit it's not going to be my caravan because mine weighs 3 tonne as it is, 3.5 tonne if you load the hell out of it. So you're going to have to pick the correct caravan obviously for the car, but it would be awesome. It would be awesome to do a trip with. In regards to power, this thing is fast. It's actually 2 seconds faster than the V8 Nissan Patrol. Just to give you an idea, this is the first car I've ever driven in my life that I would happily drive in eco mode. And that is a huge statement because no other car I've ever jumped in, I've clicked eco mode and been satisfied with the amount of power it's outputting. I reckon, now I haven't tested it, but I reckon in eco mode this would still be as fast as my wife's Mercedes EQB. That is pretty bloody quick. And if that doesn't give you an example, that's eco, then you've got normal mode, and then you've got sport. This thing is a rocket ship considering the weight. Now looking at the front, it's barely got a front. Most Teslas have a front twice the size of this, and they're a lot smaller cars. But you know what? The reality of it is that the only shit you put on the front is stuff you don't really need. So although it's nice to have that option, the boot is where it's at. Now this is with all 7 seats up. That's the rear 2 here, next row in front, and then of course the front row. You've still got all the storage back here, the bin underneath with all of your tools and compartments. But the part that I really want to show here is this 250 volt 16 amp. You have house power to the back of this car. Not only that, if you think, oh, I don't want to run an extension cord to the outside of my car, you can always hook up into the charge port door, plug this guy in, and check that out, 15 amp power point. Now I'm sure they would be a combined 15 amp, it wouldn't be 30 combined, but even at 15 amp, that's enough that you could pull over every night with your caravan behind you and plug that straight into your caravan. You've got power all night. And then on the flip side, if you've got enough solar on your caravan, you could then charge the car during the day. So it just opens up a huge world of possibilities of what caravanning's going to become. And I know at the moment we're still stuck with the petrol side of things. And don't get me wrong, I absolutely love my Patrol. But very soon we're going to start seeing more and more cars like this that have higher tow ratings, can go further, and have more and more versatility when it comes to how you can use them. Okay guys, I just wanted to make a quick video with this. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks guys.